Okay, everybody, here's Cujo, his first snow, 2016. Go get him, Cujo. He's having fun out here. Go play. Go play. Go play. Go play. Guys, this is no joke. I'm out here. It's about, look at these cars. I mean, 3 foot easy. It's up to the window. This car is completely buried in snow. It keeps falling. Good job, come. Good job, it's covered. Come here. Come. I mean, it's unbelievable. I'm out here smoking a cigar. Let me see. Hey, it is completely crazy out here. This has to be worse than the 2010 Snowmageddon. I mean, nobody's going anywhere for at least 2 to 3 days, easily. 2 to 3 days tops. I mean, we're crippled out here. Plows are trying to shovel. Cujo! About 70 miles an hour winds. It's crazy. Bye.